All right, big news. I am launching a second number 2 YouTube channel. This channel is called Pixel Junkie. And if you're watching this live, chat, if you're watching this live, type in !new channel in the chat. I'm going to clip this segment. I'm going to re-upload it to YouTube. So if you're watching this as a replay, I'm going to have links down below in the description for you. But if you're watching live, !new channel. I'm going to quickly run you through 2 things. Why I started this new channel and what you can expect. First, why did I start Pixel Junkie? When you look at all of the videos on my channel, you will notice 2 things. I've posted a lot about the Google Pixel in the past, and those videos were often some of my best performing videos. Okay? When I hit the point just a couple months ago, when I knew I needed to really niche down and move from broad consumer tech to something more specific, I toyed with the idea of just making a huge pivot from Tech Audit TV to just the channel is all about pixel videos. Okay, Tech Audit TV, a channel about pixels. 2 big problems with that. First is I love the Tech Audit TV name and I really don't want to change it. And keeping that same channel name and it's about Google Pixel devices and whatnot doesn't really match. More importantly, it felt unfair to the 40,000 plus of you, which by the way, thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the YouTube channel. It felt unfair to be forced into a channel about Pixel phones when you may have subscribed, because of something else, even though a lot of you did come from the Pixel videos. So I'm very grateful for that. Also, because I know Google, you never know when Google is going to just cut a product. And I didn't want my main channel and a big source of my income to have that kind of risk where the second Google just drops the Pixel lineup, my channel kind of ceases to exist, or at least the purpose thereof, right? So I didn't want to, have that kind of risk. I also didn't want to go more broad, okay, let's just say it covers Android devices, or okay, let's just say it covers Google products, because YouTube TV videos on my channel will do really well. So maybe there's a way to work that in. Not as passionate, and those spaces are they're pretty crowded. They're pretty crowded. So obviously, Tech Audit TV pivoted to focus on tech specifically for creators, or tech that creators would have interest in. So this never happened. The whole Pixel thing never happened. But the itch to cover Pixel phones has just remained. And I've had this strong feeling I've got to start this channel. So much opportunity. So I'm doing it. Pixel Junkie is the new channel. The channel is live. I don't have any videos posted yet. It still needs some artwork and some optimizations done there. But again, if you are live, type !new channel in the chat if you're watching this live, or visit the link in the description below if you are watching this as a replay on YouTube. And as for what you can expect, and then I'll wrap this up, I want Pixel Junkie to be your one-stop shop for all things Google Pixel, okay? There's gonna be a lot of experimentation happening with different content types starting out, but you can expect Pixel phone reviews, accessory reviews, rumors, news about upcoming devices, comparisons to other phones to kind of help with your decision making, even within the Pixel lineup, best settings and apps to make your Pixel experience even better, all that stuff. I love my Pixel, and I find myself always just answering questions about Pixels to people who are either new, thank you for the subscribe, or whatever that was. I've got to turn those notifications down. That is loud. Anyway, I am super just pumped up about Pixel devices and whatnot, and they have their flaws, but I figure why not make a channel about this? I'm already talking about this all the time. So that's what you can expect. So again, if you're watching this and you are someone who would enjoy kind of this constant information source dedicated to Pixel devices, you're going to love Pixel Junkie. So again, !new channel in the chat if you're watching this live, or click the link in the description for those watching the replay. I would also advise you to follow the Pixel Junkie Instagram and Twitter accounts and I'll be posting a lot of news there, especially the Twitter account, and that is just at Pixel Junkie TV for both platforms. So pull your phones out, open up Instagram, open up Twitter, at Pixel Junkie TV, give it a follow. You'll be one of the first ones, besides me, following it from my personal account. And again, if you're watching this on replay, you're gonna have the links to those social accounts as well. So that's it. I should have a channel trailer up later this week. And then next week, the first legit, real deal, full-on Pixel Junkie video will drop. I'm pumped.